Harmonic patterns in Forex trading are like a trader's secret weapon, precise, structured, and capable of predicting future price movements with incredible accuracy. But let's be real, if you're not using them correctly, they can be a nightmare to trade. That's why today, we're breaking down the top 3 harmonic patterns that every trader needs to know: how to spot them, how to trade them, and how to use automation to execute them flawlessly. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by harmonic patterns or struggled with entries and exits, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear game plan to make them work for you. Alright, let's dive in. Number 3. The bat pattern. The bat pattern is all about precision and patience. It forms when price makes a deep retracement, usually up to 88.6% of the XA leg, before reversing sharply. If you're looking for a high-probability trade with a tight stop-loss, this pattern is for you. Here's how to trade it. Identify the X to a leg. This is your first impulsive move. Wait for the B retracement, which should stay within 38.2% to 50% of the XA leg. The magic happens at D, which lands near the 88.6% Fibonacci retracement of XA. Once price hits this zone, you enter with a buy or sell limit order. Set your stop loss just beyond X, and aim for take profits at 38.2% and 61.8% of the AD leg. Now, if you've ever missed out on a bat pattern trade because you weren't watching your charts 24/7, this is where Trading Management Solutions EA can make a difference. Instead of manually calculating Fibonacci retracements and waiting for price to reach the reversal zone, you can set up an automated trade trigger to execute once price enters your harmonic zone. It's like having a trading assistant that never sleeps. Number 2. The Gartley pattern. The Gartley pattern is a classic. It's been around for decades and remains one of the most reliable harmonic setups. It's similar to the bat, but the retracement levels are different. Here's the structure. The B retracement should be around 61.8% of XA. C extends between 38.2% and 88.6% of AB. The final leg, D, lands at 78.6% of XA. What's powerful about the Gartley pattern is its balance between risk and reward. It offers multiple trade opportunities with precise entry points, making it ideal for traders who want to scale in positions. The problem? Timing the entry perfectly can be challenging. If you're a few pips off, you could end up stopping out before the reversal happens. That's why I always recommend using an advanced order management tool, something like Trading Management Solutions EA, which allows you to set pending orders at your key levels, automatically adjust your stop loss to break even, and trail your profits as the market moves in your favor. This way, you don't need to babysit your charts or second-guess your execution. Alright, let's move to the most powerful harmonic pattern of them all. Number 1. The butterfly pattern. The butterfly pattern is a game changer. Unlike the bat and Gartley, this one extends beyond the original XA move, making it more aggressive in nature. It's perfect for traders who love big moves and fast reversals. Here's what you look for. B retracement is around 78.6% of XA. C retraces 38.2% to 88.6% of AB. D extends beyond 127% or even 161.8% of XA. When price hits D, this is where the reversal typically happens. The reward potential is massive, but the challenge? High volatility. Since these trades move fast, you need a system that can handle rapid execution and risk management. And this is where a tool like Trading Management Solutions EA can set dynamic stop losses, partial close positions at key Fibonacci levels, and even hedge your trades if needed. Final thoughts. Harmonic patterns are one of the most powerful tools in Forex trading, but they require discipline, patience, and precise execution. The key is not just spotting them, but also trading them effectively, with the right entries, stop-loss placements, and risk management. And if you're serious about making harmonics work for you, automation is your best friend. That's why many traders use Trading Management Solutions EA to take the guesswork out of execution, automatically calculate Fibonacci levels, and manage trades like a pro without being glued to the screen. If you're interested in automating your harmonic pattern strategy, check out the link in the description to learn more about Trading Management Solutions EA. It's time to trade smarter, not harder. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which harmonic pattern is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!